The night sky is on the brink of a dramatic transformation as Polaris, the North Star, faces an impending cosmic shift. Once a symbol of stability in navigation and mythology, its steady glow is now faltering, signaling a celestial upheaval that could redefine our skies. This change threatens not just scientific measurements but also humanity's deep historical connection to the cosmos, forged through millennia of stargazing. Polaris owes its fame to its near-perfect alignment with Earth's rotational axis, making it appear motionless in the northern sky. Sailors, explorers, and cultures from the Vikings to the ancient Mesopotamians relied on its fixed position for guidance. However, a groundbreaking 2023 study by the Royal Astronomical Society has revealed alarming instability within its triple star system, hinting at a possible supernova. If this occurs, Polaris could vanish from view, leaving Ursa Minor and our night sky unrecognizable. Located 323 light-years away, the light we see from Polaris today actually left the star in the early 18th century. If it were to explode tomorrow, humanity wouldn't witness it until the 2500s, an eerie reminder of the time-warped nature of cosmic observation. Astronomers have been tracking its pulsation cycles, which recently lengthened by 4.5 seconds. Though subtle, this shift is a critical clue. These irregularities suggest gravitational chaos among its stellar companions, Polaris A, AB, and B, or the beginning of an internal collapse as its nuclear fuel dwindles. For centuries, Polaris symbolized eternity, yet its erratic behavior now mirrors that of Betelgeuse, Orion's volatile red supergiant. Both stars have exhibited unpredictable dimming, fueling theories of imminent collapse. While NASA monitors Betelgeuse for supernova signals, Polaris has only recently drawn similar attention. Their parallel decline underscores a universal truth: all stars, like everything in the cosmos, follow a life cycle of birth, evolution, and eventual demise. Polaris began as a main sequence star, fusing hydrogen for billions of years. As it aged, it expanded into a yellow-white supergiant, burning helium in its core. When this fuel runs out, gravity will trigger a cataclysmic implosion, followed by a supernova visible across galaxies. For Earth, the night sky would blaze with a light brighter than the moon, casting shadows in the dark and temporarily reshaping constellations. Yet, given its vast distance, no harmful radiation would reach us. Its triple star system adds further complexity. Polaris A and AB orbit each other closely, while Polaris B circles them both. Their gravitational tug-of-war could either accelerate the star's death, or delay it for millennia. Current models conflict, leaving astronomers divided. But one fact is undeniable: Polaris is shedding its identity as a celestial constant, reminding us that even the stars are transient. Modern navigation relies on GPS, but Polaris's disappearance would sever a historical tether. Indigenous cultures wove it into creation myths, while medieval sailors trusted it to cross uncharted seas. Its loss could unsettle humanity's cosmic psyche, erasing a guiding star that has endured through generations. Yet, scientifically, its death presents an unprecedented opportunity to study pre-supernova activity, refining predictions for other dying stars. Astronomers and amateur stargazers worldwide are watching with fascination. Telescopes monitor its brightness fluctuations, while satellites analyze spectral shifts for clues. Citizen science projects are crowdsourcing data, allowing the public to contribute to this cosmic mystery. Every flicker is scrutinized, but Polaris's fate remains uncertain. Some predict its collapse is decades away, while others suggest it has already happened, its final light still on its way to Earth. The cultural impact will be profound. Art, literature, and navigation charts have immortalized Polaris as a metaphor for constancy. Its demise may inspire new myths or provoke existential reflection on cosmic impermanence. Meanwhile, scientists prepare for a once-in-a-millennium spectacle, a supernova visible to the naked eye, offering insights into stellar chemistry and galaxy evolution. As Polaris fades, it highlights the universe's relentless change. New stars will form, but none will replicate its role as Earth's celestial compass. This transition challenges humanity to adapt, innovate, and marvel at the boundless dynamism of the cosmos. From ancient wayfinders to modern astrophysicists, Polaris's story unites us in awe of the skies, a reminder that even the stars are stories in motion, burning bright before fading into cosmic history.